once again and then we will go for a test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So which chapter are we going to do
Ma'am,
next? Yes. So the chapter 3. Maps, isn't it? First question is what? Which view of a place does a map show? Which view of a place does a map show?
Top view.
View, yes. What do we have to imagine to show the map of a classroom?
No ceiling. No ceiling. No ceiling.
No ceiling. Outside. 1 minute, children.
No ceiling.
It's outside. Sometimes because at times it used to show like that. No, sometimes it may come later. Now, second one. What was it? What do we have to imagine to draw the map of a classroom?
No ceiling.
No ceiling. Yes, very good.
No ceiling.
Yes, A or an dash is an instrument used to show directions.
Compass.
Compass. Yes. Fourth one, on a map, an arrow with the letter N. What does the N mean? North. Okay. Where are the symbols and colors explained on a map?
Key or
legend. Children, sometimes in the questions, I will give the choice only legend. Okay. I will not maybe giving it as key also. Okay. So either one will be there. So you have to look it into it properly and answer it. Got it, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
what are the signs used on a map called?
Symbols.
Yes, very good. Next one, a landmark or direction is a building that can be easily seen from a distance.
Landmark.
Yes. I will be able to see my house or state on the map of India. State. A map of India.
ഇടക്കിടക്ക് എന്റെ കണക്ഷൻ പോകുമ്പോ എല്ലാവരും സ്റ്റക്ക് ആയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കാൻ എന്നിട്ട് കണക്റ്റിംഗ് പറഞ്ഞു പോകും. യുവർ കണക്ഷൻ Arish Nihal.
Yes, Arish Nihal. A map of India shows or does not show my neighborhood.
Does not show.
Why other without answering this? Answered?
Yeah.
Okay. A place can be located easily by dividing a map into equal or unequal parts.
Equal parts.
Okay, fine. Next, what would you do to locate your school on a map of the entire city? What you should do?
Zoom
Okay. Hannah, I cannot see your face. Yes.
Zoom in.
Okay, good. So, you all know everything, isn't it? Question answers, there is no answers today. Only one words are there today. So, let us see who all can do it.
Okay, ma'am. It is daily test or class test.
It is a daily test. It can be taken as a class test also. Let me see how is your performance.
Ma'am, understood.
Whatever it is a test. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
1 second, children.
Ma'am, can you disable the chat?
Sorry? Yes, I will. Children, I will have to mute your you all people. Otherwise, you have to mute yourself to unmute by yourself. Okay?
We will mute ourselves.
Mute yourself. Mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Evelyn is also waiting outside. Have you entered, Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So check your chat. Did you got it, children?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Did you got it? Everyone? Arush, you got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Arush, if you got it, just thumbs up.
no option like name.
Sorry?
There is no option like name.
Name. Oops. 1 second, 1 second. 1 second, don't do that. Listen, children, just stop doing everything.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you send the link again? Ma'am, can you send the link again?
No. Yes, I'll send the link once again. Children, 1 minute, okay? Children, all of you, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Yes. Children, do with...
I don't. You please send me the link again.
Children, 1 minute. I'm giving the link once again. Check into your chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
All of them, everyone, click into the second link which I'm sending right now. Okay.
The second link I did not see.
I am just sending. It's coming up. You got it? Yes. Now there is name and class in it? Yes. Now you have a name and class in it? Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now you do it.
Ma'am, in my link there is not a class.
Ma'am, in my link something is coming.
There is no class in the link. There is name but no class, ma'am.
Okay. You have name and class in one box.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I cannot do the exam.
Why? Who is it?
Because something like screen is coming.
Which...
Ma'am,
Adira,
one white screen is coming. No question papers.
Eh?
Yes.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Others, you got the question paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Then that is your problem, children.
There is class.
Huh?
Yes.
Others, you all got the question paper, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Evelyn and Sribhadra, it may be because of your. I'll send the link once again. You check it.
Okay.
You got it now?
Ma'am, I finished.
Very good.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yes. Children, if you finished, please keep quiet. Okay. I can see who all have finished.
I am clicking the link, but it is not coming.
Then that is your network issue, dear. You just text me in the evening. I'll send the link if it is not possible for you. Okay.
Ma'am,
Or
I
you can
finished.
text after the class also.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can you send the link once more?
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, how much time will you send the link?
That is why, because Adinanda joined right now. Adi.
Ma'am, I finished.
Adar, have you completed?
I completed.
Adar, have you completed? Yes.
I finished.
Sound is not coming up.
Mine is completed. I got 10 after 10.
Yes, great. Beautiful. Adinanda, you got the link? Children, please mute. Children, please mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot do.
Ma'am, I cannot.
Yes, what is it?
Ma'am, I cannot do. It's not coming. I click it.
I did not
You
understand.
also.
What is it?
Ma'am, I cannot do it because I clicked it, but it is not coming.
That is because of your network. That is because of your network.
Ma'am, here is big.
Here my brother has reading class. So that's why the network
Ma'am,
issues.
ma'am, 1 second is there. That second will finish the exam paper will come saying.
What are you telling? I did not understand.
Do the exam.
1 second is there.
It
It
is
will
taking
finish.
time to upload.
Yes.
Okay. So wait, children, wait. Adinanda and all, wait. You will get it in few seconds. Like when the video also come up, it is taking time, no? So likewise, it will take time if your network is slow.
Am I finished?
Those who finished, keep quiet. There is no need of telling finished. I can see here.
Ma'am, I got 9 out of 10.
Who said that? Vedika VSY 8, 9 out of 10. Key. Nice. Now I just give you all the answers. Almost all of you have got 10 or 9. Somewhere somebody has made mistakes. Unequal. Just now I give you all the things. At that time you said all the answers properly.
Ma'am, but I have get 10 out of 10.
I can see most of you.
Ma'am, Catherine get 10 out of 10.
Ma'am, Aditya also get 10 out of 10.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am.
Enough.
Ma'am.
Let others complete their work. Quiet.
Ma'am, I cannot write my name on my test.
It's okay. Fine. It's okay. How much you got?
9 by 10.
Ma'am,
How much you got, Aditri?
I got 9 out of 10.
Yes. I saw your marks. Yes.
A place can be located easily by dividing a map into unequal parts. I read, but this was wrong. Ma'am,
It's equal parts, no? Who said it is unequal? Map has been divided into equal, right? Like longitudes and latitudes, we are dividing into equal squares. You remember? That is unequal is wrong itself. Ten.
excuse me, ma'am.
Fourth he was. Yes.
I'm Achyut.
Yes, Achyut.
Ma'am, did you send that 13th question of map chapter?
No. I'll send it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
not
I
completed
cannot do
the-
the exam because of the something screen like coming.
Dear, it's because of the network. I cannot help it from here. It's your network issue. Okay, Shri Bhadra. That area already the network is low. I know that. Shri Bhadra, wait. Sometimes you may get it.
Yes.
Fast. Very fast.
I got 10 out of 10.
I Shri Bhadra, did you got it? No, I'll send the link once again. You just try once more. You got it? The link you got? Yes, you try it. Who else is there to complete now? Just raise your hand if there is somebody to complete. All of you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, let us start. Let us have a revision on the next chapter, children.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which is the next chapter?
No, ma'am.
The
Story of the past.
Story of the past. Who can tell me that? What is the story of the past? Who can tell me what we have learned in that chapter?
We learned the different kinds of stones.
Sorry?
We learn about the past.
Okay, Mayasa, come on, tell me, Mayasa.
We learn about stone tools, and the early human beings looked like apes,
Yes.
They started using wheels, how they lived in caves, and how they started making fire.
Very good. Beautiful. Who else? Who else can say? Who else can say? Raise your hands. Yes, Adira.
Ma'am, Ameya.
Yes, I'll come to you.
Ma'am, Achud.
Yes, I'll come. Yes, Adira, tell me.
They started to make fire. They started farming.
Yes, great.
How they started making wheels.
Correct. Finished?
Different types of stones.
Yes. Good. Then. Okay, that is it, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, Ameya, come on.
They were apes about different stones. They started farming. They started to make fire. They started to make wheel.
Yes. Good. Achud.
Catherine.
Achud.
Yes, ma'am.
Catherine.
Tell me. 1 minute, Catherine, 1 minute.
Ma'am, we learn about they make tools with stones, bones, and about how they discover fire,
Yes.
and we change their faces and all.
Yes, like from the apes to human beings. Yes.
And they started living on land without trees.
That is it. Okay. Then, Catherine, come on.
Yes, ma'am. We learn from this lesson. We learn different kind of stones, and they make tools with bones of animals and stones. And they used to eat raw food and hunt animals.
Very good.
And they started living on ground. And we studied that how they started fire and they started cooking, and when they started farming, farming and tailing, they lived together and make small houses, and they live together.
Very good. Yes, Sribhadra, do you have something to say? Do you got it?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, fine. Yes, Hazel.
They were herders also.
Sorry, dear, I did not understand. What is it?
They were herders also.
What?
They were herders also.
There were?
Herders.
Herders also. Yes, good, great.
Ma'am, in this lesson, that textbook, I read that when they started farming, they warped fruits in the skin of animals to keep them fresh.
Yes. Now, let us look after the questions.
They were also.
First question. What did early human beings make using bones of animals?
Weapons.
Weapons. Where did early human beings live? Caves. Early human beings did not know how to cook food. They ate it?
Raw food.
Raw food. Yes. Dash were the sharp stones used by the early humans. Snipers. Yes. What did early human beings make with the skin of animals they killed? Yes. What did the early human beings who lived near the rivers eat?
Fish.
What is a tool? Who knows what is a tool?
That is meant for Pencil is a tool made for writing. Example, pencil is a tool made for writing.
Okay, I understood. You all know. Yes, thank you. I know. You all understand that. I understood. Thank you. Now, how did early human beings start cooking their food?
Sometimes
Don't raise your hand. I didn't understand not a single word in it. Can somebody tell by one raising your hands? Huh? Okay, Aditya, come on.
Fall into fire. Early humans liked this food more than raw food. This is
You're
how
looking at
they
reading.
started
Okay.
cooking.
Ma'am, can I be?
Yes, 1 minute. I will ask. Hail Teresa, can you read the answer? Do you have the workbook in front, Hail? So can you say that question, read the question and answer? 7th one.
What is an object that is made for a specific function? Example, pencil is a tool made for writing.
Yes, good.
Ma'am, can I?
Can I read?
1 second. Janvi, can you hear me? Janvi Dilip, can you read me the 12th question?
How did early human beings started cooking their food?
Read the answer also.
Sometimes meat and roots would fall into fire. Early humans liked this food more than raw food. This is how they started cooking.
Okay. Adar, can you read me the 13th one?
And can I be?
I'll ask you. Why Aris Nihal's brother is raising his hand? He wants to read. Huh? Both the hands. Okay, great.
I cannot hear you.
Adar, do you have a workbook in front?
Yes.
Yes. Can you read the 13th question? Question 13.
How did early human beings learn to make fire? Early human beings.
Early human beings. Humans observed. You can look and read. Look and read.
Early human beings rubbing 2 pieces of flint and
okay. The answer is correct almost. Can somebody else tell me the answer? Yes, Catherine. 1 minute, not Catherine. I will ask somebody else whom I haven't asked yet. Arush, can you? 13th one answer. He's being ready with the workbook. Okay.
While making tools. These sparks.
Do you have 13th question in front of you, Arush?
How did early humans learn to make fire?
Yes. Have you written the answer? Yes or no, dear? Smiling. Nice. Then why did I send the answers to you? Huh? Okay. Ameya, can you read the answer?
Yes. Early humans observed spark while making tools. These sparks were used to light dry
grass.
Yes. This is how they learn to make fire.
Yes. Good.
Ma'am, Catherine. Ma'am,
Hannah, can you read? Catherine and all, you get chances, right? Mayasa, Catherine and all, you got chances today, right?
Yes.
Yes. Hannah,
Yes,
can you read me the 15th question?
Ma'am. 15th, ma'am.
Yes.
What do you think these early humans are doing?
Hmm.
Farming.
Good. Anne Maria, can you read me the 16th one? Anne Maria, unmute and speak.
Ma'am, 16th one.
Yeah, 16.
Ma'am, 17th one, can I read?
Quiet. The time is almost over, dear.
The picture shows a very useful and important
Mention.
invention. What is it?
What is it? Wheel.
Wheel.
Okay. Yes. So children, learn again one words for the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let us wind up the class.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.